What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you a cool add-in that I found that can make finding symbols in Excel so much quicker and easier. So normally to just insert a symbol, go to the Insert tab, and on the far right, you can click on Symbols, and then just drop down where you can then click on Symbol. And here you can insert symbols into your Excel sheet. But as you can see, it's not necessarily particularly easy to find the exact one that you might be looking for. And there are thousands of different symbols that you can add, or hundreds. But to get this add-in, just go to the Insert tab. In the add-ins grouping, you're going to see an option where it says Get Add-ins. And then after clicking this, you can type in symbol, click Search. And it's sort of a popularity should be the first one that comes up, symbols and characters, fast symbol lookup. It's completely free, so click Add, click Continue. And now you're going to see, you should see a tab where it says Add-ins. And then you can click into Add-ins tab, click on the symbols and characters, and then you can which can help make finding symbols easier. So first off, they're grouped into groupings that make a bit more sense, at least to me. Emoticons, currency, arrows, math, so on and so forth, circles, MISC, and then you can just search. So let's just say I wanted to insert the pi symbol, for example. Just type in pi, and then you can add what you would like. So like this right here. Now one thing to know is that it doesn't add more if you click it more in the same cell. So I might have to go to another cell and add another one, or just go to the cell and then copy paste if you want more symbols. You can also add smiley face and add different symbols that you might want to make your spreadsheet that much cooler. So, as said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.